Hi Mary, how has the execution of the VSM plan been going?
Great. We've been putting together teams and refining the charters for several activities. There is going to be a mix of Kaizen events, sometimes called rapid improvement activities, and problem-solving teams that will work on a project over several weeks.
Interesting. I wonder why we aren't going to use Kaizen events for all of the targets set in the future state value stream. Wouldn't that be faster?
Well, not all of the targets are suited to a Kaizen event. Some activities will require more data gathering, for example. Secondly, and more importantly, Karina talked a lot about culture. And, while Kaizen events are great for learning to apply lean tools and concepts, she explained that having team problem-solving led by individuals in our organization with coaching is a great way to affect culture change.
Oh, yes. That makes sense. Karina also mentioned the improvement in coaching kata, including the 5 questions. Will we be using those?
Yes. We will be using the improvement and coaching kata. If you recall, that includes setting a target condition and then taking small steps or small PDCA experiments toward the target condition. Each step is documented and discussed during the short coaching cycles. Then, the coach uses the 5 questions as a framework.
Welcome everyone. We're really excited about holding this Kaizen event. It will be the first of many for this organization, and in the future, you or one of your coworkers may be leading these events. For now, we're going to lead these in an effort to model the process for you. Let's talk about the process itself. The first thing we're going to do is learn. We'll teach you the basic concepts and tools we're going to use. Next, we'll review the problem at hand. We have a very specific opportunity to improve the workflow in our packaging area, and we'll be talking about the details. After that, we'll go to the Gemba, where the work happens. In this case, the Gemba is the packaging area, where we are going to observe the process in detail. We'll look at the workflow, tasks, timing of tasks, flow of materials, etc. Then, we'll brainstorm. We'll write down the wastes we've observed, review the data we've collected, and identify the top issues to be addressed. We'll then brainstorm ideas to eliminate the waste and move us toward our target condition. We'll prioritize these ideas, and then we'll experiment in the Gemba. After we've made some adjustments based on our experiments, we'll implement. We'll likely change the layout and the workflow, create standard work, and then show off our work to the management team and the entire organization. Let's get started.
The team did such an awesome job on that event. Don't you think?
Absolutely. I've never seen them get so excited about work. And the results just speak for themselves. A 50% reduction in lead time from start to finish. A 60% productivity improvement. 90% reduction in work in progress inventory. Not to mention that we've freed up a lot of floor space for more productive purposes.
The enthusiasm is another benefit, perhaps the biggest benefit of all, because this should help drive more improvements.
It certainly will. And the timing couldn't be better, because our next step is to introduce the improvement and coaching kata for our problem-solving teams. We can channel the enthusiasm around here into even more results, more improvement.
Awesome, let's do it.